Welcome to Great Babe's Garage again. I noticed the other day I was driving it and my park indicator was burned out. This is a C5 Corvette, automatic transmission. I wish it was a 6-speed, but it is what it is. Anyway, this is a little tutorial on how to change the bulb without taking the console apart. And it's like a 2-minute job, basically, really. I mean, the only tools I had was this little screwdriver and a little pair of needle nose, and like 2 minutes done. So I got this light that's not working in my shifter. I had an LED in there before, but it is not working now. So this is going to be a little tutorial on hopefully just fixing that. Hopefully. That was easy enough. Let's see if we can get this thing out of here. Yeah, there we go. That was easy, huh? Just like that, the old bulb came out. Let's get this new one out. Went to Walmart. I saw somebody on the Corvette forum bought this bulb from Walmart. And it's a round bulb, just like a regular 194 is. And you can see here it fits in there. So let's see if we can get this thing back in there. My fingers aren't that small. Hopefully I got it in right. And voila! There we go. Get that thing tucked in there. And look at that. 2-minute job. Gotta like that. Man, I love that. Anyway, there you go. That's how you change a light bulb in a automatic C5 Corvette. How do you like them beans? Okay, now that was super easy. I honestly didn't think it would be that easy. But a 2-minute job. I love it.